Hey guys, we are finally ready to finish this project. Last week you guys did the first half of the color in the background, so this week we're going to finish the rest of the background and then we'll finish off with the sphere. So first you'll notice we left off with the orange here. We're going to continue the same every other pattern going the whole way across this next row. So I left off with orange, I'm starting with blue. I'm going to fill out the rest of the row, filling in every other space with blue. You will fill in the spaces in between with your second color. For this next row, I left off with blue, so I'll be starting with orange. For this last row, I left off with orange, so I'm starting with blue. The background is finally done, so now I can start in the sphere. Now in the sphere, you will notice there are still rows within the sphere. However, they're curved instead of straight. We're still going to follow the every other pattern, and we're treating it in separate rows like we did in the background. So the first row at the very top of the sphere is this skinnier row. It does not matter which color you start with, but we're still doing the every other pattern. So this time I'm going to start with orange, and I have this small little sliver piece right here, and that's going to be my first orange space. I skip the next space and I color in the third space. I skip the next space and I color in the fourth space. This next space then gets left blank because that's for my second color. I go and I fill in each space in between those orange spaces. Now my second row, I start with blue because in my first row I started with orange and I want to do the opposite. So in my second row, I'll take the blue and color in every other space. I take my second color and I color each space in between. In the next row, I'm starting with orange because in the row above it, I started with the opposite blue. I use my second color to color each space in between. In my next row, I'm starting with blue because in the top row above it, I started with orange and I need to do the opposite. I'm going to continue my every other pattern in these bottom two rows until I've covered the entire paper. And there you have it, an optical illusion that's tricking your eye into seeing a sphere popping out of the paper. Again, this project was all about what is an optical illusion. An optical illusion is an artwork or drawing that tricks your eye into seeing something that isn't actually there. So this one is tricking you into seeing a sphere popping out of the paper when really it's a flat piece of paper. Do not forget to post your finished artwork on Seesaw so I can see what you guys were able to create.